Today on Cooking with Keto Dad, I'm going to make keto pancakes using keto chow strawberry flavor. The first ingredient you start with is going to go ahead and use 4 ounces of cream cheese. The next thing I'm going to add, I'm going to go with 3 organic eggs. Alright, next ingredient we add is I'm going to go with 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the strawberry keto chow. I just have the sample packs. It's probably equals 1 scoop of keto chow if you're using keto chow. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and stir this all together. You want to get into a nice, fluffy, smells delicious. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to put them in the saucepan and cook them like regular pancakes. And while I'm trying to make pancakes here, Keto Baby's sitting here playing with the pots and pans. And here's my finished product of my keto pancakes. I also top it off with calorie-free Walden's Farm pancake syrup. And I also put some real salt on my avocados and my eggs.